how to complete your end of day. What you do is scroll up to the top of the page and select for end of day within your menu bar. Then you select for staff and a shift. This will bring up the perform cutoff panel. On the left hand side you will have a list of all the employees that have done some sort of transaction since the last cutoff. You can either do a cutoff up to a specific date, where you can specify the date and also the time that you would like to do your cutoff up till, or you can do your cutoff up till right now. So let's say we want to do our cutoff up to right now and do the cutoff for everyone. So we can either select them individually or select all to select everyone. Once all the employees are selected, then you can click on continue, which will bring up the cash drawer account down to the bottom left, where you would enter the count value of how much of each value you receive. So how many dollars, twos, fives, tens, and so on. Once entered, you can also put in the float for what you would have started off with, and the value will also populate on the right hand side. The AR transfer, deposit transfer, guest folio transfer, secure deposit transfer, and revenue share transfer, the system calculates this automatically, so you would not need to enter those values. Then you enter how much cash, Visa, and MasterCard, or any other payment types that you have created. You will enter those. Once completed, you will click on process. You're about to complete your cutoff. You should continue. Click on OK, and now it will show you the values here. So the system total shows you what the system actually says they actually received, and then the difference column shows you the difference between what you would put in and what the system says it has. So here we can see right now it's saying that the check is short by 1 penny, and you're also short by $100 in Visa, and you're over by $52 in MasterCard. So now you're able to click on the Reconcile tab, and you can actually select a specific payment type to see all the payments associated with that payment type, so that way you can always verify where those values came from. So let's say it was a slip that was missed and you found it. You can then put in the adjustment into the column. So let's say you found that it was you're missing and put in the wrong amount, you can put in the adjustment $100, and if you were funded 52, and it now balances. You cannot submit your cutoff if you do not balance without putting in some sort of comment. So if you're over or you're short, the system will not allow you to submit without some sort of comment. The comment is optional if you do balance. Once completed, click submit, and then you can click submit to complete this cutoff. Click on OK. Never check the box for prevent this page from creating additional dialogues. All you do is just click on OK, and then you can print your cutoff report by clicking on print. Select PDF end of day cutoff review. This report will give you the breakout and a list of all the transactions that were done within that cutoff. If you wanted to view the reconciliation display report instead, this would just give you only the breakout information for that cutoff. At any point, a user can come back into the Perform Cutoff panel and search for a cutoff that was done. You can either search by the date it was actually done or the date it was done for. Since we created it on the 21st, let's search by 21st. Click on search, and there you can see the cutoff, number of a cutoff, date it was done for, the date it was done, who did that cutoff, and if you want to view the reports, you can click on the view button, where you are now able to select which report you would like to view. Thank you.